Hey guys, today we're making quick and easy lemon chicken gyros. These make the perfect weekday dinner because they're ready in such little time. They're full of fresh ingredients. I mean, what more can you ask for? Whoppa! Start off with the french fries, either fresh or frozen. Do not leave this part out. So moving on to the chicken, thinly slice 2 to 3 breasts. Either grill or pan fry these. Season them with a bit of salt and pepper and oregano. They'll take about 5 to 6 minutes per side until fully cooked through. If you guys could plan into the future and marinate that chicken, that would be perfect as well. If you haven't guessed already, with this grated cucumber, I'm making tzatziki. Squeeze out all the excess water. Notice that I used an English cucumber here. Add 2 cups of full fat plain Greek yogurt. Please do not use the 0% one. Dress this up with a drizzle of olive oil, some more salt and pepper and oregano to taste, and a clove of crushed garlic. This tzatziki is so fresh and delicious. Resist not eating it all while stirring. Back to that chicken, I'm giving it a flip. Look at those grill marks, yum, locking in all of those juices. These gyros are gonna take some sliced tomato and thinly sliced red onion for a nice crunch. Since I didn't marinate that chicken, I discovered that fresh lemon juice on the hot grilled chicken is just as good, if not better. So get everything ready because it's time to assemble these gyros up. Slice up that chicken breast and give it a generous coating of the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Look how delicious. I should have made a little extra for lunch tomorrow. These are the pitas I'm using. I wanted to show you guys these papa pita from the grocery store. I'm literally obsessed with. They're pillowy soft and so addictive. And these are a little more traditional. Whichever brand you're using, take a second and warm it up on that pan that you were frying the chicken in. Sometimes traditional pita tends to be a bit dry, so give it a nice drizzle of olive oil and it really softens it up. Go ahead and add all the prepared ingredients to the warm pita. These lemon chicken gyros have it all going on. The textures from that creamy tzatziki, the pillowy soft pita, and the crispy french fries is gonna have you guys thinking how this isn't a regular on your weeknight dinner menu. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.